Hi everybody! In our last video on MS Teams meetings etiquette, we discussed distractions in the background. And these distractions can be if you're working from home, other members of your household, whether they be other people working from home, children, pets. You may be at work and there may be colleagues in the background. There may be information in the background that you don't want others on the Teams call to see, such as family photographs, or even maybe as simple as the room is untidy. So here's a quick tool on the MS Teams app to disguise your background. So I'm actually on an MS Teams call now. Let's get the mouse and hover it. So we open up the toolbar. In the middle of the toolbar there's three dots saying More Actions. Let's click on that. Then the toolbar appears, and in the middle of the toolbar it says Show Background Effects. Let's click on that. Now another bar opens up at the side with some pictures on it, and these are your virtual backdrops. Now it's rather rainy outside today in the UK, so let's click on the beach as the background. Now automatically it doesn't transfer to the call. You can either apply it or preview it. So let's preview it. So we click on preview. Now you'll notice that the camera turns off on the call. And here at the bottom right is the preview with me on a beach. Now we can stop the preview at any time, but the preview stays on. So if you want to go back to the actual backdrop, deselect and select the no backdrop. Then turn the camera back on and we're back on the call. Now, in the background settings, you can actually upload your own. So if you add new, you can upload files. So that's great, that really is good for if you want to upload a company logo or some branding or a picture of your own. I can even upload a picture of Ewood Park, the home of my football club, Blackburn Rovers, who aren't doing so well at the moment. But what I tend to use as a backdrop is a background blur, which blurs out the backdrop. So it's very, very subtle. People at the back, their images can be seen moving, but they can't get a distinct image. And it's pretty blank, and I think it's quite the most professional of the backdrops. If you want to transform to an office setting, you can easily do that. So there's some office pictures. So blank room. There's another one here with a city centre office. So there's lots of different options. We can even have some balloons in the background. But as I've said, I like to keep it to a background blur. It's pretty subtle, it's quite professional. As I said, to turn the background blur off, click on the turn off icon and apply it, and your original background reappears. So I hope you've enjoyed our quick instructional video on background settings on MS Teams. If you like our content on the channel, please subscribe. It would be great to have you back, and thank you very much for watching.